Hi everyone, welcome back to the second part of Ca2. So in this video, I'll be going to the bonus features using the Oozie coordinator to actually run off after office hours scheduled jobs. So we go back to AWS and the previous Oozie job was completed. So we see all these folders, we need to delete them. So delete web blocks, this one. Alright, we clear it, we delete, type, permanently delete. Okay, then we click delete objects. Okay, deleted. So these are the 4 folders that we started off before. Alright, this one is empty. Okay. So the same thing, we will proceed to create cluster once more. Okay, so once our cluster has been set up and is up and running, we will set up the party again. Okay, once we connect to the party, then we will tunnel into, we'll do SSH tunneling into the clusters. Okay, so now we have tunneled successfully, and then we will actually go to query scheduler and we will go to workflow first to create the workflow, but we won't run the workflow. We'll create and save the workflow. So it will be the same as just now. Just let me pause the video for a while. Okay, so now I've actually created this workflow. Just to make sure that we don't have the A, so we remove the S3, the A from the S3A. So there won't be any errors when we run. Instead of running, we'll just save this workflow first. Maybe we'll call it Alright, we'll save this. Okay, then we will go to the query scheduler to schedule. And then they'll ask you which workflow to schedule. We choose a workflow, and this is the one that we just created. And we can, how often? So we can choose hour, day, week, month, and so on. Or if we have, we can go to the cron page and then actually use a cron tab. But I think we just do a very simple one. So now the time is actually 1:44 AM in Singapore. The AWS server is about 13 hours behind Singapore time in the US. So I'll just put it, now it's about 1:44 AM. Maybe I'll just put it maybe 1:44 minutes, 1:48. Alright, then I will save this. Once I've saved, then I will submit. Then I will click submit. So this job is waiting to be run. Submitted at 10:44. It should run 10:48. So we got another another 3 minutes. So this job is waiting. So it's nothing here yet. Workflows, okay, it's nothing. Jobs, schedule, so this is my schedule. So I'll just pause the video and be back in another 3 minutes to see this job run. Okay, we're back. The time is 1:48, so 4 minutes has passed. Apologize, the difference in the timing, it should be 15 hours instead of 13 hours. So actually the AWS server is 15 hours behind Singapore time. So scheduled to run at the server timing 10:48, which is 1:48 AM here. Alright, so let's take a look at what has been, okay, so actually this okay, it's running. This is completed. This is running now. Okay, this is the workflow. Alright. So we should see more of the completed. Yeah, so just came out Hive. So still in progress. This is running, accepted. So once all has succeeded, then the workflow has been completed. So we just wait for a while. Still running. Okay. So everything has run successfully. Everything succeeded 100%. So like before, we can check the S3 again to make sure the weblogs folder has been created. Refresh. Check. Weblogs created. And yeah, the output files here. So, yeah, correct. So so this is another example how we use the Oozie coordinator to schedule a job to be run after office hours. And that brings me to the end of the presentation. So we have to make sure that we actually terminate the cluster. So we need to manually terminate the cluster before we end to save on cost. So thank you very much for this presentation. Bye bye.